Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're installing our Pro 2 roof rack crossbars using the P203 bracket system. This system is used on multiple vehicles, including Ford Transit Connect, Subaru Outback, and Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. This is the P203 bracket we're using. The lower extended part slides under the flush rail. Once positioned underneath, the bracket locks into place. The exact year compatibility for each vehicle is listed in the video description, so make sure to check that before ordering. The installation process is the same on all of these vehicles. In this video, we're showcasing the installation on a Ford Transit Connect. The system fits flush rail roofs only. Now, for Subaru Outback, there's one important thing to check. Your Outback must have flush rails with visible mounting points. If your vehicle has factory hidden rails, the system will not fit. I'll show the difference on screen so you can easily identify your roof type. Let's get started. First, open the box and gather all the tools and parts together. Take the key and open all the headset caps. Take the headsets and place them onto the aluminum profiles. Repeat this step for all of them. Place the head unit with the metal bracket attached onto the flush rail, then secure the metal bracket to the flush rail. Finger tighten the bolt that secures the metal bracket on both sides. The ridge on the aluminum profile should be facing the rear side of the car. This helps us reduce the wind noise. Very important, fully tighten the previously semi-tightened metal bracket, working side by side a little at a time until secure. Tighten the yellow knob on the head unit to secure the connection between the head unit and aluminum profile once they are properly aligned. Next, hold the aluminum profile and give it a firm shake. If it doesn't move or vibrate, that means it's installed correctly. Insert the key into the plastic cap, turn to open, place it on the head unit, then lock it securely. The cap will only open when the key is in the unlock position, so pay attention to that. That's it for the installation. Make sure everything is tightened properly and all locks are secured. This P203 bracket system provides a solid and secure fit on compatible flush rail vehicles. If you have any questions, check the description for compatibility details. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.